This video is brought to you by Wondershare PixCut. PixCut is an easy-to-use and free online tool which allows you to quickly remove background from any image. All you need to do is just upload your image, and PixCut does the job for you. It utilizes artificial intelligence to automatically remove the background. AI will analyze your picture and create a detailed selection of the subject. In just a few seconds you can download your image with a transparent background. Check out the before and after. Moreover, it also allows you to enlarge or scale up an image. This means it will take the original image, process it, and increase the resolution. Again, just upload your original photo, and you get a high quality result. Learn more about Wondershare PixCut by checking the links in the description below. Hey guys, in this tutorial I'll show you how you can add fake camera movement to your shots in Adobe After Effects. I'm gonna show you 3 techniques, so let's get started. The first technique I'm gonna show you is a wiggle expression. Place your clip on the timeline and open position by hitting P on the keyboard. Now hold Alt and click the stopwatch icon. Now let's type in wiggle, and the first number defines the frequency or the amount of times of wiggling per second. And the second number defines how much the video should wiggle around. This will also depend on the resolution of your video, but I'll go with 1 and 35. Next, just scale up the video to hide the black gaps. Well, this is the first method which works well, but in some cases it might look too artificial. So let's see what are the other options. The second option is to record your own handheld video and use the motion for your static shot. Let's take a look at that. This is the shot we'll be working with. As you can see, I used some tracking marks, which I'm gonna use to capture the motion. Now let's bring this clip into After Effects. Place the clip on the timeline and create a new null object. Now go to the tracker panel and click Track Motion. Also include rotation and then reposition these 2 track points. Choose a spot with a good contrast between the pixels. And we can start tracking. Now that the tracking is done, make sure that our motion target is the null object and click Apply. Now we can drag our static shot to the timeline. To apply the movement to this clip, parent the video layer to the null object. Then again adjust the scale, and that's it. And the last technique we can use are camera shake presets. I actually found some from Premium Beat, which you can download for free. Link is in the description. Once you install them, you'll find them in the effects panel under presets. Now, depending on the resolution of your video, you can choose 4K or 1080p and also the focal length. First, create a new null object and then drag the preset to the null object layer. Again, parent your video to the null object, adjust the scale, and there you have it, organic handheld motion. If you found this helpful, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.